Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to modify the name of a course in MOOCit Studio. From your Studio home, simply select the course for which you want to change the name. I will choose this MOOCit Academy course where I clearly made some spelling mistakes. This will bring you to the designated course outline page. In the header menu, select Settings and then Advanced Settings. The advanced settings are a little bit more technical than the rest of the website, but quite easy to navigate. Each modifiable component is listed here in alphabetical order. Simply scroll down to Course Display Name and modify the display name in the text box. Be careful not to remove the quotation marks on either side of the display name. Once you've made your changes, a notification will appear at the bottom of the screen, from which you can select Save Changes. A new notification will appear under the header menu with a green check mark indicating that your changes have been saved. From here, you can return to MOOCit Studio Home and view your course with its new display name. And that's how to modify the display name of a course in MOOCit Studio.